Looking for a simple, effective scalping strategy? In this video, we'll show you a versatile method for different markets. We'll use two top buy-sell indicators from TradingView. This strategy works for forex, gold, crypto, and stocks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Adding the first indicator. Go to the Search Indicators tab and type in ADX Trend Filter. Next, choose the ADX Trend Filter Indicator by Trishna. Now let's adjust the settings. Go to the Style tab and uncheck the options for bar color and tables. Once done, hit OK to confirm. This ADX Trend Filter Indicator will be crucial for guiding our entry points in the market. The green triangle signals an ADX uptrend, buy signal, while the red triangle signals an ADX downtrend, sell signal. The MA band will serve as an additional filter. Green MA band equals bullish trend confirmation. Red MA band equals bearish trend confirmation. Adding the second indicator. Now let's add the second indicator. Go back to the Search Indicators tab and type in Best Cloud All MA. Select the Best Cloud All MA indicator by Davat, then adjust the settings. In the Input tab, leave the default settings as they are. Go to the Style tab and uncheck the boxes for MA1, MA2, trend state, bar coloring, and shapes. Click OK to confirm. The Best Cloud All MA indicator helps guide overall trend direction. A green cloud indicates a bullish trend. Look for buy opportunities. A red cloud indicates a bearish trend. Look for sell opportunities. How to place a sell order. If the Best Cloud All MA indicator shows red, this signals a bearish trend. Confirm that the MA band on the ADX trend filter also indicates a bearish trend. Wait for an ADX down signal, red triangle, as your final confirmation. Ensure that the forming candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are met, place your sell order once the bearish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing high and target a take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the Best Cloud All MA indicator turns green, this signals a bullish trend. Confirm that the MA band on the ADX trend filter also shows a bullish trend. Wait for an ADX up signal, green triangle, as your final confirmation, ensuring the forming candlestick is bullish. If everything checks out, place your buy order. After the bullish candlestick closes, set your stop loss at the most recent swing low, aiming for a take profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.